guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a nice, quick, easy set of Gucci inspired nails. This set is great for beginners because it's really easy to do, and it's great for salons as well because it's a quick design, but even though it's quick, it still looks really pretty. So to start with, I'm using a Lily Cute gel polish. It's LC05. It's like a really pale coral colour. I wanted this to be like a nude nail bed colour. I have got a nude gel polish, you'll see me use that in a minute in the second coat. I absolutely love the way this set turned out. I wish I'd done it on my own fingernails now instead of doing it on tips. And then I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with the second coat, and I'm using the Coscelia number 19. This is that nude nail bed colour what I was on about. It's a great colour for what I wanted it for, but it's not very opaque. So I thought if I go in with that Lily Cute gel polish first, because that's really opaque, and that will then obviously cover the clear tip up, and then the second coat go over with this one, and it gave me the colour that I was looking for. That's them done, then I'll pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with the Makartt foil glue gel. I just want it on the end of this tip, and I just cured it in the lamp for 30 seconds, which is what it says to do on the bottle. Then off camera, I used some gel residue wipe off solution, and I just cleaned the back of that foil. I got this foil off Aliexpress. You'll have seen it in my Aliexpress haul if you've watched it. So I'm just putting that over the area where I put the Makartt foil gel, and just rubbing it on. But this is now the 4th time I've used this foil gel, and I can't seem to get it to work at all. So I don't know whether it's me or my lamp. I've got a feeling it's probably my lamp, to be honest. I'm just taking some gel residue wipe off solution and just taking the sticky layer off them other nails as well, because I don't know whether you noticed, but I did get some of that foil on the 2 of the nails. So again, that Makartt foil gel didn't work for me, so I'm going in with my trusted XKJ just normal air dry glue. And you know what, a lot of people don't get on with this, but for some reason I get on better with this than what I do the foil gel, the Makartt foil gel. So where that's not transferred onto the nail, I'm just going to put some of that XKJ glue onto the nail. You do have to let it air dry, but I've cut that bit out because you don't want to be sat there watching glue dry. So I'm going to rub that on, and you'll see when I pull this off, it's pretty much left a full transfer, apart from in the middle where I hadn't put any of the XKJ on. So I'm just going to put some more in that middle bit, and then let that dry. While that's drying, I'm going to do this nail. This nail I wanted just the right hand side half to have foil on it. So I'm putting some of that XKJ on there. Then I'll go back to this now it's dry, and I'm just going to, I'll just get my nail and just rub it over where I've put the glue. And you'll see when I take it off, it's transferred perfectly. Now I'm taking that XKJ glue again, and I'm going over that lace foil, what I've just done, because I want to go over that with another Gucci foil. And then while that glue's drying, I'm going to do this nail. This nail didn't go as I'd planned it to, but once I took the foil off, I actually preferred how it turned out. but you'll see at the end. Now this is that Gucci foil, and again it's just transferred straight on. I don't ever have any issues with this glue. Now I've got some gold striping tape, and I just want to edge where I've done that lace foil and the Gucci foil. So I'm just getting that straight. And then once I've got it straight, I shall cut the ends off. When you cut the ends off, you just want to do it slightly short of the edge of the nail. So when you come to top coat, it will seal that in. Now I've got a Gucci sticker, and I'm just sticking that on there. These stickers are super thin. They're literally like as thin as water decals. They're so thin. So I just measured that up so I didn't cut it too short. I'm going to make sure that's nice and straight, and then stick it down. Now I'm taking some, it's like chain, but it's a sticker, but it looks like a chain. I've just measured that up, and then I'm going to apply that next to that Gucci sticker, and then get that straight, and then stick it down. And then again I'll chop these off just slightly shy of the edge of the nail. On this nail, this is the one where I wanted it to be half lace foil and the other half like plain, and I was going to put one of these stickers on the other side, and I was going to do striping tape down the middle, but when I like ripped the foil off, it wasn't exactly half, but I really liked how it turned out, so I left it as it was, and then I just stuck a sticker on the other half. Now on this is the last nail, and I've just applied some non-wipe top coat, and these, Helen sent me these. She sent me a pack with all different colours in, and I'm just using the black and the gold, and they're little rhombuses. So I'm just applying them into the uncured non-wipe top coat, and then if you stick them into the non-wipe top coat, you can slide them about, and it's much easier to apply them like that. Well, I thought it was going to be, but it turned out to be an absolute nightmare doing this nail. It took me forever, so I've sped this up quite a lot, and I've cut quite a lot out as well because I didn't want to bore you guys. Once I got that first row down, what I didn't show you me doing off camera, I just stuck that nail in the lamp, probably about 3 or 4 seconds, and I found it made the top coat not as runny. So before I put the nail in the lamp, I was applying these where I wanted them, and then I'd apply another one, and then I look up and the one I've just put in position has slid somewhere else. Right, these were a real nightmare. So yeah, I think sticking that nail in the lamp for a couple of seconds really helped. Thinking about it, what I probably should have done was, instead of putting the non-wipe top coat on the nail, getting the top coat, putting it on a palette, and then adding the rhombuses into the top coat, so they're covered in top coat, and then sticking them on the nail like that. That might have been a better way of doing it. I might give that a try and let you guys know how I get on. Once I got them all in place, I stuck it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with my non-wipe top coat on all 5 nails, and then I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And then that'll be this set complete, guys. I hope you like them. I absolutely love them. This is probably one of my favourite sets I've done to date. I just wish I'd done them on my nails now instead of on tips. Right, we've come to the end of the video now. If you like this set, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you would. Also, all the products that I've used today, I'll leave a list in the description box below. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.